Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel haruniasram.prem sir. So, dear subscribers, today I am discussing about a very interesting fact, and the fact is of higher dimensions. You mean higher dimension? By higher dimension, I mean all we know that they say there are only three dimensions. One dimension, two dimension, and three dimension. Generally, this is the popular case and popular knowledge among us, but no, that is not true. And our universe is I am talking about our universe and all the galaxy or this that. Okay, so the galaxy and this universe is actually n dimensional. Okay, there are n dimensions. This is a very interesting research I have brought to you, so please subscribe my channel for such interesting videos and some competitive videos also, and some tutorial classes, etc. So subscribe and press the bell icon. Let me discuss further. So today I am concerned about the dimension topic, and so till now the explained and analyzed dimensions are up to 11 dimensions. Okay, so as you know that in school you were taught that there are only three dimensions, but the M theory says that our universe is made of 11 dimensions. Okay, not just three. So swipe left. Okay, to explore all dimensions I am swiping. As we know the first three dimensions, so I am discussing from the fourth dimension. Of course, the fourth dimension is time, and imagine a fourth dimensional being. He can easily move through time as we move through space. Time becomes a physical dimension. Some say that by the help of time travel machines we can dive into our past, we can jump into our future. So yes, time is a dimension. The first time machine is our camera, which captures the moment of the past, but it cannot capture the moment of the future. Okay, so we need a more extended and more vast and technologically higher time machine that can also capture the future. Okay, so fourth dimension is the time dimension. Time is the fourth dimension. Okay, what about the fifth dimension? Let me tell you the fifth dimension. Okay, the fifth dimension would allow us to travel through all the parallel universes that had the same initial coordinates as ours, because they say that there are some parallel universes existence. So yes, if this is the fact in their mind that there may be some parallel universe, and the human brain only can imagine those facts which is available. Okay, like the concept of God. If we can imagine what is God, where is God, different types of God in different religions. So yes, God exists, but we don't have such and so more powerful technology to yes, identify and see the God in a physical appearance. Okay, so yes, God exists. Without existence we cannot imagine anything. This is the property of mind. We can only imagine those things which are available or which may be available. Without availability and without existence, our brain cannot imagine anything. Okay, all that we can imagine has an existence. So if we can imagine that God exists, then yes, God exists. If we can imagine God, then yes, God exists. Scientists and the researchers on the past has imagined these things, so we are able to see these things like electricity, like All these things that has technology developed nowadays has imagined earlier. So the fifth dimension would allow us to travel through all the parallel universes. And so yes, parallel universe exist, and I can claim this by this scientifically proved and approved facts and statements and logics, that yes, parallel universe exist, and there are some species in the universe parallel to earth, and they are so called aliens. And yes, they are also trying to contact us, and we are also trying to contact and make a good healthy communication, but our technology is not so much developed, not so much advanced to contact such aliens. And so I am proceeding towards the sixth dimension, and the sixth dimension would allow us to travel in time in the parallel universes. The fifth dimension was made us to travel in the parallel universes, but the sixth dimension would allow us to travel in time in the parallel universes that had the same initial coordinate as ours. So some there is some coordinate points and coordinates and some origin of this universe, and with the same coordinates as that of our earth, all the parallel universes to earth, we can go on that parallel universe at whatever time we want to go. Like if we want to go into one of the parallel universes in 2002, suppose 2002 year, so we can go on that exact time also, 2002 May, 3rd May 2000. So we can also go to 3rd May 2002 on that parallel universe. So this is the sixth dimension. And the seventh dimension, you could travel to any possible world, no matter their initial coordinates. So the sixth dimension is of course amazing, because it would lead us to travel in the all any possible world, no matter their initial coordinates, whatever be their initial coordinates, we can go to that universe and that world. Okay, so the eighth dimension, in the eighth dimension you could travel in time to all those possible worlds, like in the fourth, fifth dimension, sixth dimension. In the eighth dimension, you could or we could travel in the time also to all those possible worlds, no matter their initial coordinates. Okay, so yes, this is very interesting fact, because if we can go to the any time to any world at any instant, so we can also imagine and find out the creation of human life, creation of any type of creature, creation of this universe also, and how all this universe is. So yes, there are many interesting questions arising in human brain that could be satisfied by these dimensions. So our technology is not so advanced to go through and develop these things, but yes, they exist. And the nine dimension says, I am your daddy, you are admin of this page, world of admit, antimatter, gravity doesn't exist, em force is weaker. So these are the things you can read in the interface. I am giving you the interface in the ninth dimension, so we can compare all the possible universe history with the different possible laws of physics. Okay, so that's why I've earlier said that I am your daddy. That means what? Maybe Earth is older than some other parallel universe to Earth, or any world that is parallel to Earth, or yes. So em force is weaker, electromagnetic force is weaker in some other planet or other world rather than Earth. These are the comparisons we can do with the ninth dimension. Okay, and we can find out all the histories in going through that world. Okay, and the 10th dimension, we arrive at a point in which everything possible. Of course everything is possible. We can correct our future, we can correct our past. Okay, if someone's daddy is died due to coronavirus, then we can go to the past and let him aware before he will get infected through this virus. So there are many interesting things we can do that will be in our control, and imaginable is covered. Of course, beyond this, nothing can be imagined by you. Beyond this, nothing can be imagined by you. So now swipe to the next searched and researched dimension till now. How interesting these facts are. My god, this is the final dimension till now the human being has searched and researched and studied about. According to this dimension, according to the string theory, and in this dimension everything is possible. I mean it literally. Yes, this all sounds really cool, but right now it's a theory. So 11th dimension, about the concept of 11th dimension is a theory also, and there is no any practical fact till now, but 10th dimension is just practical fact. So yes, there are n dimensions. We study it in mathematics and in the vector space, n dimensional vector space. So yes, space exists in n dimension, and yeah, that is a limited point we study, and just like a model, but yes, this exists. This will be true with the universe also one day. So I repeat that there is no any advancement of technology till now, so to recognize these, and we are unable to use our brain to that extent, and till now. So yes, these are the facts. These are very interesting facts, and this is a mind blowing. So if now anyone will ask you that how many dimensions are there actually, so you could yes say 11. There are 11 dimensions till now, and people will learn very soon about 4D geometry, 5D geometry, and 6D geometry, 7th D geometry. Okay, like we study in the mathematics 2D geometry, two-dimensional geometry, two-dimensional figures, three-dimensional figure. In the similar fashion, we would learn about 5th dimension, 11th dimension also. In fact, one day, many years ago, sorry, after, we will learn about n dimensions also. Yes, you will learn about n dimension nowadays, but that is not practically, that is only theoretical concept. So this would be practical concept in very soon. May God help you in this pandemic of COVID-19. So I request you through my channel, my all subscribers, my all viewers, and all the human beings, to please protect yourself and protect this humanity. Please wear a mask, sanitize your hands, wash your hands, and keep distance, and avoid to travel in crowded areas, and yes, help the people that are in need. Actually help the poor, and yes, stay safe, stay healthy. I wish you all the best. Have a healthy life. Thank you. Bye bye. I'll come very soon with the next upcoming video of my JPSC series. So thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. If you have any question regarding dimension and dimension theory and anything I have just told you through this video, then please comment and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.